Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome to episode number 118 here on season number 2. And today we are getting into
Monster Truck Smash.
Monster Truck Smash.
Monster Truck Smash.
Oh my goodness. We eat mini popcorn.
I like popcorn.
Do you like this popcorn?
Yeah, I like that popcorn, and I like the other popcorn. My gummy, my probably gummy got hot. I like those two.
You like that one too?
Yeah, I like 2 of them.
Alrighty, Jacob. Well, do you think that we should try these first or tell them about it?
Try these first.
Okay, alright, let's go ahead and open them up then. So it's pretty easy open. It looks like it's pre-cut up here. You just rip it right off like that. Alright, well, it didn't work as planned completely, but... Alright, go ahead and reach in there, man, and grab one of those popcorns out of there.
They're hot.
Well, you weren't supposed to eat it already? We gotta count down here. Grab some more. Here, how about you just hold out your hand? It's like baby popcorn. 3, 2, 1, go.
Gone.
You need some more? This popcorn actually has a very, very subtle butter flavor. It's the butter flavored popcorn, but it's very, very subtle. It's not like overbearing butter popcorn. It's like subtle, just touches the lips, kind of makes you want to come back for more. It's very, very good. You like it? Mm-hmm. So first of all, this is a Sorghum popcorn. It's not actually corn, which is why it's like little tiny pieces of popcorn, like literally tiny, that size right there.
But the reason why he's going popcorn, bring in big popcorn healthy for me. My dad is the same thing like that.
Oh, so this Jacob is actually gluten-free, non-GMO, and it contains no corn. So the popcorn that you've been eating contains corn. This has no corn at all because it's a different grain. It's called Sorghum.
Yeah, I like Sorghum.
In this popcorn, there's only 3 ingredients. It's basically Sorghum, butter, like flavoring, and then also salt. But for like a bag of one of these, how much does it cost? For one bag.
Monster Truck's Adventures.
For one bag of these, well, actually for 6 bags, it retails online on their website for $7 or $6.99. And it's a pack of 6 of them. So this one probably cost $1, $1.10, $1.25 around there.
Beaver.
A beaver.
Yeah, beavers eat cheese.
Eat cheese.
No, eat trees.
They eat trees.
Uh-huh.
You're right. Now for a snack, that's not really that pricey, but for like a popcorn substitute, I mean, when you can get like a big, huge bag of popcorn for like $3, that seems a little bit overpriced. What are your thoughts on that, Jay? Do you think it's pricey or do you think it's not too pricey?
It's pricey.
It's pretty pricey?
Mm-hmm.
Would you spend $1.25 for that box or that bag of popcorn?
Yeah.
Oh, but it's pricey. Okay, anyways, I guess we should just go ahead and jump into it. We gotta know, is this a buy or is it trash?
A buy.
What?
A buy? It means you buy, but it's a buy, but you don't say it's a trash.
Don't say throw it in the trash. You give everybody the advantage of telling everybody that every single food product that you've touched on the show has almost been a buy. What do you think about that?
Papa showed me about Penny got smashed by Monster Truck. And then I was asking for the Monster Truck guide, but he didn't fix it because it was gold.
Oh.
It didn't work.
We'll go ahead and leave it right there. Let's jump into the question of the day. Are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Tear gas makes people cry. Laughing gas makes people laugh. What other kind of gases do you wish existed?
I like the laughing gas.
You like laughing gas?
Uh-huh.
Do you think that they should create any other kind of gases?
Yeah.
Like what?
Like the right, his just be excited, but he's frustrated out to me.
Why?
Cause his just say you mustn't see about my diamonds, but I said no, I'm not. But he said no, you are.
Oh.
Then he said, and I didn't talk back. I just said don't worry, you sure let me play.
Okay, so you think that maybe there should be a playing gas so that you guys can play more?
Yeah.
That was quite a story to get that out.
Yeah.
Yeah. Good job. Anyways, like I always say, if you got any questions regarding Stash, Acorns, Robinhood, as well as M1 Finance, general investing, business strategy coaching, post those questions down below. Please don't forget to subscribe right up here. And check out We Try Cocoa Chocolate Cup things. Check out the video right here. And as always, thank you for watching. I really appreciate it.